Okay, let's talk about some olive oil. Some of y'all don't know the power of olive oil. I'm here to educate you. Things that's right in the store you should know about. Okay? Things that are right in the store you should know about. And I apologize to my membership area with my list of 12, 14,000 people. I haven't emailed you guys in about a couple weeks. I do apologize. Really busy with dealing with this situation of this country we're in right now. It's affecting everybody. So I'm real. I'm a real person. So it affects me as well. I hope you guys are doing what it takes to keep yourself preparing yourself for this uncertainty times. Okay, because individuals are in the one up top. They're doing what they want to do right now. Okay, so my prayers go out to everybody that's dealing with it, and I hope you praying for mine. Okay. Anyways, let's get into it. The power of olive oil. You need to know.
Here are 5 things you should never do with olive oil from an olive oil producer. Number one, do not buy olive oil in plastic. If you walk away from this with one thing, do not buy olive oil in plastic. It degrades the quality of the oil and is just also awful for the environment. So, no. Okay, number two, do not buy olive oil in clear glass bottles, any clear container, because olive oil photooxidizes. And so, when that direct light source hits the product, it is going to accelerate the oxidation
Oxidation.
process,
I think most of y'all already know that. Don't buy no olive oil in no clear container, right?
meaning the oil will go rancid faster. Number three, do not store your oil in a place where it's going to be exposed to heat. A lot of people forget about this one and they store their oil next to the oven or above the oven or right next to their stove. Here's the thing, when olive oil is constantly exposed to higher temperatures for long amounts of time, it degrades the oil. So try to keep it away from an oven or a stove or a direct heat source.
Now here's the deal. Know this: when you're using olive oil, you hear me talk about a lot. Avocado, high heat. Grapeseed oil can take high heat. Those are good for your body. And olive oil is exceptionally good for your body, as well as avocado as well. So avocado, high heat. Grapeseed, high heat. But when it comes to olive oil, it'll go rancid on you if you're doing more than sauteing it. So, okay? So you can get away with you're doing your sauteing with your fish, your meat, what you want to do, and whatever, you good. Okay, most people use it on their salads and whatnot, but you want to have it from a good source. But I wanted to make sure you knew you can't be frying with olive oil. Okay, any other seed oil based on the ones that I already just mentioned, you in trouble. You know, you go on fast food joints, they are jacking y'all up because they using most likely canola oil, sunflower oil, vegetable oil, and they like that. And a lot of y'all still got that Crisco oil. Woo, these things right here is going to expedite your situation when it comes to dealing with your heart and your brain when it comes to strokes. Let's continue.
In your microwave. Number four, stay away from products that have like 4 different countries listed on the back of the label. Like, listen, there's nothing wrong with buying that type of oil if that's what you want. The issue becomes that a lot of brands are misleading and they'll be like Tuscan blend, and then you turn the bottle around and on the label it's like Greece, Portugal, Italy, Argentina, Spain. It has a bunch of different countries listed on the back of the label. Stay away from that because, yeah, just trust me. Okay, point number four kind of takes us into point number five. If you can, stay away from some of the larger brands. Smaller companies have so much more agency over the trees that they're harvesting, how things are done, when they're being milled. We have so much more control. For example, my husband and I own olive trees, and as our brand continues to grow, we're able to harvest our neighbor's trees or the aunt's property that just is two, properties over. So we understand exactly what's happening with the farming practices in our own land, but also the people around us. And this helps.
I'm gonna have to find out who she is so I can go support and get my olive oil from there. Okay, I like them people that be you know, getting down like that. Okay, she told you the 5 things. Now let's get some education from Dr. Bird. Okay, some of y'all try to say he ain't a real doctor. He's a chiropractor. And most, newsflash for you, most PhDs doctors, like myself, naturopathic doctor, like, about to finish, naturopathic doctors, got that. People don't want to recognize, if it's not recognized by the state, all of a sudden you're not a real doctor. You don't know how many doctors is out there. But anyways, this is a little secret for you, a little magical tip. Most natural healers, ones that don't want to be doing that extra stuff later and keep you hooked on different types of Skittles and whatnot and candy, most of them are chiropractors. Ask me how I know. Okay, so big up to Dr. Bird. Let's go.
That's very interesting that there's a lot of corruption in the olive oil business. It's been going on for a very, very long time. So you want to make sure when you buy olive oil, you're getting the right stuff. Now, I've been consuming probably a counterfeit olive oil for years because it wasn't until recently that I went to Italy and I actually tasted real olive oil that I knew the difference between the counterfeit and real olive oil. And oh my goodness, when you have authentic, real olive oil, it is so delicious. It's a very green, bright, peppery, grassy.
He's right. He's 100% right. Oh, it tastes good. It's good.
Fresh taste. And all these years, I had no idea that olive oil was supposed to taste like this. I was consuming the flavorless and rancid olive oil, which actually had barely any flavor, and I thought that's what olive oil should taste like. But extra virgin olive oil has some additional phytochemicals that go way beyond just acting as an anti-inflammatory. And the compound called oleuropein turns into another compound called hydroxytyrosol, which is 20 times stronger than green tea. Now, of course,
did you hear that? 20 times stronger than green tea. If you know nothing about green tea, you already know the secret of it. I'm going to have to do another video, multiple videos on green tea. Let's go.
Get these amazing phytonutrients with all these great properties, you're going to have to get the real deal. You're going to have to get olive oil from Spain, Greece, Italy, Morocco, France, Portugal, Turkey, and Israel. And you're probably not going to find the kind that you really need in your local U.S. grocery store. If you're in the U.S., you're probably going to
You probably don't want to get it from Israel right now, right? Crazy.
order it online from one of these countries or go to a specialized store to get this. But this olive oil is quite amazing for your health. I would highly recommend putting it on your salad every single day, at least 2 to 3 or even 4 ounces. It has anti-inflammatory effects, antimicrobial.
Did you hear it? 3 to 4 ounces. About to list it. But I got some partners that take a tablespoon every day.
Effects, anti-thrombotic effects. It helps you prevent clotting. Okay, thins the blood. It also has anti-atherogenic properties, which prevent the formation of plaquing, like that cholesterol calcium plaquing. It has retinol protective properties, which protects against the retina in your eye, as well as anti-cancer properties, and it can protect you from UV radiation. And I think the best way to identify if it's the real deal is through its intense flavor and aroma. And number 4, like I just talked about, buying your olive oil from a specialty store is probably going to be the best thing. Or you can actually order it right from Italy or some other country that has the real deal. That's what we did. Here's a brand right here that is seriously fresh.
Does he show it? Can you see it?
Okay, I mean, the taste is incredible. Unfortunately, I go through this pretty fast, but you can see that it has pretty much all the things that I talked about right here. And it's empty. I need to order more. And ideally, you want the name of the producer or the estate where that olive oil was originated from. Thanks.
In a nutshell, we don't have to go no further. They already shared the benefits, case studies. I don't need to go no deeper. I just always like to make sure I bring real people here. That's kind of telling you guys you can't take everything that I'm talking about. You can't consume it, but it's more like a educational location. The more information, you know how to turn your whole pantry and your kitchen and your medicine cabinet and your bathroom and your closet and your man cave, your woman, whatever you have that's your special location, your area where you read books. I got my little spot over here. Everywhere I'm at, my bedroom here, at the kitchen, the pantry, the cupboards, everywhere is something. My bathroom is something that's gonna aid and assist me heavily. That's what it is. So, because I'm educated on what I don't take it all, I can't take it all, but I have my top 7 that I do every week. I have my top 5, 4 to 5 teas that I do every week. That's kind of my rotation. If anything come up like an emergency, I know what to do. Anything, I mean, I know it's just in me now, and that's what I want to make sure you have the knowledge that's just in you, in you, in you, and you don't know what something is. You can come to the YouTube channel, type it in, and you can find that information. That's what it's all about. I'm still working on the directory, the form, the trade school, the app. It's gonna be like a full circle. So I won't be doing a lot of the selling supplements no more. That's gonna be out of it. Let that be some that I taught or individuals that are already, let them have that arena. But I need to get into the knowledge base of you knowing how to find out how to take care of you. Because once you know, and you'll be like immersed in it like me, then Mother Nature has always been your gift to healthy living. Correct.
Do you have questions about your health or business development and strategies? Herbalist Kareem is now offering private one-on-one consultations where you can receive personalized guidance based on your situation. Visit 4cyclesoflife.com to learn more. The consultation link is in the description.